At Truflation, we're acquiring data at a rapid pace. We've got a team now of data scientists that not only go and source the data, but also actually compile the data in a way that is systematic and then consistent. We've got a team of data scientists, we've got a team of data acquirers, and we've got a team of data architects and engineers that are actually putting those into systems. And then ultimately also Solidity developers so that they can then be integrated into the number of smart contracts out there in an EVM environment, at least on the Ethereum virtual machine. There are so many different data sources out there, from stock market data. So we're not just doing inflation anymore, but even if you just look at inflation and the cost of goods that are in the bucket of inflation, you can get the raw data. So you can go directly to a Walmart, a Safeway, a Tesco, to an Amazon, to an Alibaba, and source the data and the price of goods on those platforms. You can go to even the more niche environments where you go to StockX to find the cost of sneakers. You can go to your butcher, your online butcher, on a local level to source that data. Maybe not all today, but that's the process in terms of our acquisition of data, ultimately starting bigger and getting smaller and smaller. That's the raw data source. Then we have what we call data aggregators. So we go to data aggregators as well to acquire data. So in the automotive sector, for example, you have companies like Cox Interactive, you have JD Powers, you have Blue Kelly. These are all sources that are actually acquiring the cost of automotive products and aggregating those across the nation. And so those are sources that we go to equally balance off direct versus indirect or aggregated data sources, the raw data as well as the aggregated data.